Hello, what's up? I'm going on a rant. Pardon this bright ass light in my face. I'm recording from my iPad because my phone is charging, so I don't know how good of quality this is, but whatever, I don't care. The older I'm getting, I am realizing how much we really don't need half the shit we buy. Hear me out. One, we buy things because, either we want it, we need it, it's on sale, yada yada, right? But then when you need it, you don't find it. And then when you do find it, you don't have a need for it. So my whole thing now is, what's the freaking point? Like, I am done just randomly buying things, especially for the fucking kitchen, because you buy all these things and then when you go to use them, you don't find it. And also clothes, especially for the kids. I find myself, I have 4 kids, and usually we do hand-me-downs. So none of my clothes leave my house. And I'm realizing more and more that by the time it gets to the next kid, you either are already buying too much for that kid, or you either don't find it, it doesn't fit them, it's not in style, or they just don't want to wear it. So right now I'm at a place that I'm gonna start buy as you go. That's it. I'm done with buying all this extra shit, having my house cluttered the F up, that it always looks messy no matter how much I clean, move, organize, boom, boom, boom. And then when I need the item, I don't find it, or it doesn't fit, or this person has a different body structure, he's more husky than the other one, and it doesn't fit him, and he's perfect example. Langston is 5. The one before him, Leighton, is 8, and Liam is 11. So clothes that fit Leighton when he was 5 don't fit Langston. Langston can actually wear clothes that Liam wears right now. And it's all because they all have a different body structure. Like Leighton is like longer and leaner versus Langston is more husky and he's built bigger, whatever. So I have all these fucking clothes for what? For what? I don't get it. And it's driving me insane. And then Leela's a girl. Leela's not gonna wear half the shit they wore because hello, no. So I was saddened and irritated before that Leela was going to school, but you know what? I'm actually looking forward to it now because I feel like with everyone out of the house, I'm going to be able to do what I need to do. It's bad. It's bad to the point where I don't even make, videos and all the things I love to do because there's just so much crap around. I'm drained. I'm tired of it. So this is my declaration to do better. Today is August 29th. Everybody goes back to school. Everybody, I think it's the 7th. But Langston starts the 5th. So this is my declaration. And my accountability to get my house in order. Like, this is gonna be You know how that Carol G's is bichota season? Well, this is getting Ingrid back to her happy place season. I'm already physically feeling amazing. So now it's about to hook up. It's about hooking up my environment to match my physical energy. Yeah, and no more, you know what? I don't know what to do with this, so I'm just gonna ignore it. Yeah, I'll do that tomorrow. Nope, no more of that. So I'm actually looking forward to September, because September I'm gonna kick ass. I'm gonna just do everything that I want in my home. Sorry, husband, I'm throwing everything out. I swear, I'm just gonna take on this buy as you go. No more buying things to use it next year. No more buying things because, oh, this is on sale and it might look nice for on the Christmas tree 2 years from now. No, I'm not doing that shit. I can't. I can't. Because the cluttered living mentality is not working for me. I am going to be completely honest. I have been avoiding being home this whole summer. As soon as I wake up, go to the gym, get dressed, come back, whatever, get dressed, leave, go to somebody else's house, go to the park, or go to the mall, anything to not be here, to just not see all this fucking clutter. I'm over it. And now that winter is, it's getting cold again, I found myself getting depressed, but it's because of that. Because a bitch is scared to be here with all this shit. But you know what? I'm not scared no more. I'm facing it and I'm gonna win. I'm excited. So this is my declaration, my accountability. Oh my God. When I look back, I'm gonna do a before and after video. I don't know if I have the balls to show the before because it's so bad. But it's because we have so much stuff. Mostly clothes, bruh. Clothes are like my arch nemesis right now. The positive though is that the school that Langston went to and the school that Leela's going to, they take like donations. So I have like 8 garbage bags, the big ones, of clothes and shoes. And I know it's gonna go towards helping people, because I've actually seen them give stuff and they've actually offered us, and I'm just like, no, I don't need anything. I'm trying to get rid of. And they're so grateful, because when I gave them, or the toys that I gave them like 3 garbage bags of toys. And when I say garbage bag, I don't mean that it's trash, but I mean like the tall, big construction garbage bags. They were so grateful. They didn't even want to take it. They was like, this is such good stuff. You sure you want to give it away? I was like, bye. I don't want it. So, yes. I want my environment. That's going to be my motto. I like that. I want my environment to match my physical. Because I feel so good physically that I need my environment to match that. And with God's help and lots of, I'm pretty sure, crying and why me, I'm gonna get through it. Y'all gonna see me win. That's gonna be my goal for the rest of this year. Match my environment with my physical, while I continue to get better physically. Because I have to make another video on the details of my 10-month post-op doctor's appointment. Yeah, some things are not so great, but mostly everything is. And I also have to do another video on my hair. I have tips, tea, everything. But let me go make lunch, whatever, time to eat for my kids. So thanks. Bye.